What's happening, everyone? Got another reset. You're going to do a Kyocera DuraSport. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you forgot what it is and have to do a hard reset on the phone, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So keep that in mind. If you have anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. Also, if you guys could, share, follow, like, all that great stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, let's get into it. You have your action button here. Your power button's right there, volume up and volume down. And we want to hold volume down and power at the same time. So I will hold volume down first, then we'll hold power. Then when the phone turns on, you give it about a second, let go of power, keep holding the volume up. And it should take us, so there you go, to our recovery. Your volume buttons will navigate, your power button will select. So we will navigate to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button and confirm. Confirm again. It's deleting. Once data is deleted, it'll ask you what do you want to do, and we can either power or reboot the system or power off the phone. I'm just going to power it off. In this case, it's all done. It'll take you to the welcome screen, then you can navigate it to the home screen and set it up how you wish. So that is how we do a hard reset on a Kyocera DuraSport. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, and appreciate any feedback, good or bad. And otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.